TikTok is going big. They're taking on Amazon. And the way they're going to take on Amazon is using a very, very cool tool that you haven't really seen much talk about. So I'm going to share with you a paper trail that's going to lead to an inevitable conclusion so that you can position yourself right now to ride this gravy train to the moon. With that being said, let me show you. So in China, the live shopping where they have somebody on video, think QVC in Australia, in England, and in America as well. QVC, the shopping channel, shopping network, that sort of shit. Well, live shopping in China is worth about $180 billion, 1.2 trillion renminbi, okay? That is a lot of money. That is a lot of money. First little data point for us. Next data point. I saw this in the Financial Times. TikTok to launch live shopping in the US using outsourced technology. So they're going to outsource this particular function, but they are looking at all the data that they have, looking at all the users they have, and remembering this is a Chinese-owned company. It's owned by ByteDance, Chinese. So they're saying, can we monetize the same way we monetize in China? Live shopping, okay? They're outsourcing to TalkShop Live, which is these guys, which is TalkShop.live, TalkShop.live. If you haven't checked these out, I really suggest checking it out. You can learn a lot just from going and looking. Let's just go find some stuff. Looking at what's going on within that particular category and seeing what's selling and what's being sold specifically. There's just that. There's some cool shit to learn. But anyway, let's not get bogged down with that. Instead, let's carry on with our strategy. So that's our second little data point. TikTok launching live shopping using TalkShop Live as their outsourced partner. Clearly, if it works, they won't outsource for long, but right now they're outsourcing. Next data point, TikTok users. 1 billion people use TikTok. That is a freaking lot of people using TikTok. So that's a very interesting data point for us to know. Now let's go a little bit deeper and let's think about market segments within that, because really, isn't TikTok just 12-year-old kids? Well, here's our market segments. Remember, 1 billion users. So 10 to 19, 25%, we're going to ignore them because they don't have, they don't got a means to pay yet. But as of here, they can now start paying for our stuff, okay? 30 to 39, 21% of them. So it's 200 million people between those ages using TikTok. 200 million between those ages using TikTok. So that's 400 million people who are prime shopping age using this platform. Interesting data point. Next one. There's a whole thing on TikTok called TikTok Made Me Buy It. So this is where people demonstrate products on TikTok, and one of the hashtags they're using is TikTok Made Me Buy It. That particular hashtag, TikTok Made Me Buy It, 1 billion views so far. 1 billion views so far. 8.8 million, 2.7 million, 5.7 million, just under a mil, 2.3 million, 5.8 million. I mean, that is big numbers. That is big numbers. Next. So we know that TikTok as a platform is driving sales. We know that TikTok as a platform has got our customers on it. We know that TikTok as a platform is moving towards live shopping. Okay. This is all shit we now know. Next. TikTok is letting users shop directly through a deal with Shopify. So that's already been put in place. So now they can go directly from the TikTok to the Shopify site, and that's a very seamless integration. Selling on Shopify, Very smart thing to do, of course. Another core data point for us. Again, the message here is TikTok's moving towards e-commerce. Okay, that's really the message. Let's just continue on. This is TikTok careers. It's always good to look at what people are hiring for. I look at that shit all the time because the jobs that they're hiring for are the things they're working on internally. Okay, so here, business solutions and merchant development manager, global fulfillment center. Holy shit. So TikTok is looking for staff to manage warehouses to fulfill products out of. What's another company that we know with a big user base of people shopping who also has a lot of warehouses? Amazon, of course. So it's very, very clear to me, and hopefully now to you, that TikTok is moving in that direction. They're moving in that direction. They're moving towards an e-commerce strategy to monetize all those eyeballs that they've got. They've got the right kind of people on the platform to sell to, and they've got deals in place with Shopify, with TalkShop Live to facilitate that. And now is the time for you to take advantage of that. So the bottom line is, this is new. This is just happening. This is going to be huge. Get in it. Get on it. Make it happen for yourself. Now is the perfect time. I remember back when I was an affiliate marketer and Facebook was just kind of getting started. I'm really old. And you could clean up on Facebook. Clicks were ludicrously cheap to buy on Facebook. The audience was there, but nobody was really monetizing it. This is exactly the same now. We're in exactly the same situation. Don't sit on the fence. Have a go. That was a video from my regular Monday night session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of e-commerce professionals right around the world, making sales on Amazon, on eBay, on Shopify, all sorts of different places, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. There's 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce professionals in Australia right now. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also come and join us, of course, then get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.